Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Notion. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your profile picture. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, let's first hop onto Notion. Let's click on your workspace on the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on settings. And then this is the really important step, guys. You want to click on your profile name right over here. And then this is where you can actually replace your profile image. So if you click on replace photo, you can choose from photos that you have downloaded, or you can upload a new photo and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile picture on Notion. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.